Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4, equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as heated rear seating, all-terrain tires, trailering mirrors with brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this paneling coupled storage on the bottom, next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, windows with the seat memory and chrome accents. You're going to have these Aries running boards here with this heated and ventilated leather seats, power adjustable. Super nice. And left side will be your vents with your to and fro wheel, drive mode selector, and lighting controls. Left side is steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, and as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So let's push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as well as you can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the parallel side cams and the bed view. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa. Down below will be your push to start and dual zone climate controls, as well as exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, and hill descent control. With 2 USB ports in the middle, you get the integrated brake controller, AT4 badging there with a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, and AT4 trim. Goes all the way across, speakers and vents up there. And you can access your reading lamps on star nose west, and your power rear sliding window. So you're going to have these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're going to have the Duramax and Allison badging there with big trailering mirrors, keyless entry door handles. You're going to have the side step, Truck Hero Low Pro tonneau cover with the black corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel sunder and the Rancho shocks, and the GMC Multi-Pro tailgate with the grab handle, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port, around 12 bed tie-downs with your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Again, more paneling storage next to speaker. Power window with chrome accent. Up in the back. Pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With rear cup holders, reheated seating, vents and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. As well as storage behind the seats. And storage under. With lamps up top and the handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4, equipped with the 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, all-terrain tires, drive mode selector, Truck Hero tonneau cover, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.